Let's talk about what is DevSecOps. So first of all, before getting into DevSecOps, we need to understand how the DevSecOps come into the picture. Generally, in any of the organization, especially who is manufacturing or probably non-IT organization or IT organization, anywhere and everywhere today, security has become predominant. So organization has published those policies and they say that security is everyone's responsibility. So everyone is responsible for security. However, when we talk about security within DevOps organization, let's understand a bit on the definition of DevSecOps. So actually, it's a practice which we are trying to refer here in application security area. So any application who is built for the first time, or it can be a product, or I'm just trying to develop that product for my organization purpose. So I'm doing a configuration, maybe a little bit of a business logic to be developed based on my requirement, and little bit of a customization and out of the box. When I look at this, obviously I need to really have a non-functional requirement come into the picture. Those non-functional requirement has one of the attribute is security. So the application security, which involves introducing security earlier in the software development lifecycle. So we are referring about any product or any application who has security as a non-functional requirement taken into the account before entire software development lifecycle is getting mature. And then how do you do that? You do it with, of course, these two critical teams, development team and the operation team. So it also expands the collaboration between development and operation teams to integrate the dedicated security team, or there is a security person, part of operation team in the overall delivery cycle. However, when we talk about the DevSecOps fundamental perspective from PeopleCert, let's understand a bit more deeper aspect of the definition. So integration of security. So integration of security means the security attributes, security practice, security aspect, which is amalgamated, which is integrated into development and security, in the operation team. So integration of security related activities into the daily work of application development and IT operations. Security is built into the entire DevOps process and across the 4 pillars, which we will be talking about it. So many a times that called CALMs. So C stand for culture, A stand for automation, L stand for the lean, M stand for metrics, and S stand for sharing. So if we look at that, security aspect is integrated into the activities of development and operation team on a daily basis in the environment of these pillars, then we can say it's a DevSecOps. However, this pillar also we need to understand a one step below, layer by layer. What is the importance of the culture? So importance of the culture come from, do you have security as a term in the organization, or people understand the security, they are matured, they are really sincere about security. So for all these fundamentals, any organization has kept the information security is one of the department which is critically dependent on the behavior of the people. And information security department is really taking care of building the information security policy, the processes, the procedure, the guidelines, the awareness, the training, and some of the fundamental and mandatory requirements to do information security based trainings on a yearly basis once. Anybody who is part of that organization as an employee, or the people who are really servicing this organization, supplier, and the service provider, if I'm a customer, in all the cases, they have to undergo this training on a yearly basis. And that is being counted. They might have to really build the campaigns, the brochures to give awareness. So awareness can be of any type, but information security will really take care of this or continue to take care of this in the organization, even where DevSecOps is getting developed or on the journey of, doing some kind of a transformation.